how to download Geometry Dash 2.2 in Android. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can download the Geometry Dash 2.2 on our device. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So let's begin with the video. So in order to download the Geometry Dash, first of all, make sure you have a stable network in order for a smooth download. So the thing is, you can easily find that application on your Play Store. It is easily available on Play Store. You just need to simply open up Play Store. After that, simply go to the search bar and search for Geometry Dash. After that, you can see a lot of option here, but the official is this Geometry Dash return on, for which you need to pay. So how can we know if it is the 2.2 version or not? So you just need to tap on this about game center, and here you can see what's new, which means here you can see update 2.2, which means this is the Geometry Dash that we are looking for to download. So therefore, you may just go further with the process of payment, and you may easily download the Geometry Dash application onto your device very easily. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.